No matter if you're starting your very own print-on-demand t-shirt business, or if you want to get more out of your established t-shirt online shop, it's really important that you build your brand consistently across the POD sites to make a statement about your business. Catch everybody's attention with these branding tips for t-shirt sellers. Establishing your brand's identity. Your brand's identity should reflect and speak to your target market. Having a logo that represents you as a brand is a good start. When designing a good logo, it's important to consider if it is right for the customer you want to attract. Is it a brand for young people? For rockers? Is it an urban streetwear brand? What's your style? You might have a very wide target market, or you may have a very specific niche. Whatever the case, identify them to promote your brand more effectively. Set up your online t-shirt business. There are many print-on-demand platforms out there that cater to different niches. For example, Spreadshirt, for those who look for something more than the usual apparel and mug options. Redbubble, with more chances of your product to be found and bought. Or Placeit, whose main focus is on art prints. We have a whole post that goes in depth to all these pros and cons of each of them, so check them out if you want more info. The link is down here in the description. Promote through social media. To promote your t-shirt shop, social media is your best friend. Create accounts for your brand on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and anything else you feel comfortable maintaining. Social networks are a great way to get the word out about your brand, promote your products, announce new collections or designs, and keep your customers updated. Stay trendy and seasonal. Think about seasonal and trendy designs, so your customers will always have something new to look forward to. At Placeit, you can find cool design templates for any season: Christmas, Halloween, or Valentine's Day. You can also promote your business with online flyers or banners to inform your customers about your upcoming sales and promotions, all in just a few clicks. Brand your t-shirt shops and social media to build trust and recognition for your brand and establish a solid t-shirt business right from the start. I have some other videos too. Don't forget to check them out. Like this video and subscribe.